levels of convenience and competence in logistic management. With Airtel 5G, this growth is expected to be exponentially accelerated. Multiple drones supported by the ultra-low latency 5G will be able to autonomously take on high-risk manual tasks of inventory checks and stocking on staggeringly high and narrow aisles that are commonplace in large warehouses. Operations will also see increased precision and speed coupled up with low resource consumption. Decision makers and ground workers will have real-time access to information, predictive AI, insights and support. I'm pleased to introduce you to our expert to share in-depth insights on what Airtel 5G means for inventory management.
Thanks, Vedesh. I'm Kshitij Dethe. I'm the Key Account Manager for Bharti Airtel Limited. So here we are to talk about the drone-based inventory management system. In a big warehouses where humans can't reach, we used to use the long ladders to reach the top row of the warehouses and count the boxes each time. And it takes a lot of time as well. Imagine a big warehouse with a near zero risk to accidents and risk to human lives. Airtel 5G has made it possible using the drone. So in the large warehouses, all the barcodes are tagged to each boxes, and these drones, they will follow a traced path. It will scan all the barcodes and count the inventories and the efficiency of stacking. It just simplifies the time management, and this has been made possible using the Airtel 5G.
In this use case, 5G is providing ultra-low latency and high bandwidth, which enables multiple drones to work in a fully synchronous way and transmit high-definition videos in real time in a factory warehouse.
With Airtel 5G, we intend to facilitate the highly streamlined, easily navigable and uber-efficient future of logistics.